of the interesting things that came up today was one company that had integrated a Yammer-like, Facebook-like feed on their My Sites. They're actually using My Sites as their quasi homepage, and some of the challenges they're now seeing from that is when that My Site discussion, or sorry, the feed discussion, the question and answer, gets to a point where it's actually becoming legitimate content that should be formalized in a page, and just how to go about that. So they didn't have an answer, but it was an interesting kind of full circle going from more traditional content to social feed-driven content back to how do you put that into page content potentially, or an FAQ list or something like that.
And some of the things that I learned today, which I would really like to try, is about the System Center Operation Management 2012 and all the benefits that it brings to SharePoint integration. So it's to do for me when I go home.
So I think one of the other things that I saw that really got me excited at the conference was the integration with Project Server, MS Project, and SharePoint. I know for me as a project manager, you're working with so many different tool sets. You're working in Excel, you're working with Project, your tech lead is working with something else, and I'd really like to see us start to really use all of those components, tie them in together. You know, it's great for requirements traceability. I think we can give a lot more insight and more meaningful data back to our clients, so it's something that I'd definitely like to see us start moving into, leveraging a bit more. And my specific focus on that will be, you know, trying to put everything in there that allows us to have a really overall holistic view and a really granular view of our entire requirements or solution from a technical as well as from a business perspective. So one of my key goals when I get back to the office is to start setting that up.
iPad, your iPhone, your other mobile browser forms ready and styled differently for each of them, all done through the SharePoint UI, all super slick, super easy to use. Crowd was 100% into it. Was there with about 6 or 7 people from one of my clients, and all of them loved it. Super excited, ready to get it working in production.
So we saw a really great presentation by a guy called Todd Bleeker. If you ever get a chance to see Todd Bleeker speak, go and do it, because he's just amazing. He's got so much energy. He's so excited about development. He did a great talk on creating custom service applications in SharePoint. Walked through the whole process. Really explained it well. So I'm going to go and try out the code and see where we can use it.
That lady, one lady saying, hearing about the Findometer made this whole conference worth it.
Yeah, exactly.
That was like such a sense of pride because we built that.
Yeah,
right?
it was good.
So.
I really liked the Best Buy presentation because they started with a slide on culture, which I thought was really strange, but then when you look at what they've been doing around governance, it kind of makes sense that what they're saying is they've been really impacted and influenced by what their culture's like and what they want to encourage in the company. And so it's just a really, poignant thought that a governance plan and a governance strategy needs to be really related to what the culture is in the organization and how it's enabling that. So I like that.